In previous tutorials, I explained how to sign up and use the ChatGPT interface. In this video, we're diving into how ChatGPT can become your ultimate teaching assistant. Whether you're a school teacher, a tutor, or an online instructor, this powerful AI tool can save you time, boost creativity, and help you support your students like never before. Let's look at 10 practical ways ChatGPT can help you in your daily teaching routine, with real examples and ideas you can start using today. For each point, I'll provide an example prompt in a specific format, so you can replace your desired topic there. The main prompt is, I'm a teacher preparing lessons for subject in grade level. I want your help with the following tasks. You should replace and paste your desired subject and grade level above. Let's review with the 10 ideas first. Subscribe and like the video to support the channel and get more tutorials like this one. 1. Lesson Planning Assistant. 2. Quiz and Test Generator. 3. Worksheet and Handout Creator. 4. Personalized Learning Materials. 5. Instant Feedback on Student Writing. 6. Explaining Difficult Concepts. 7. Parent Communication Helper. 8. Making More Examples. 9. Multilingual Support. 10. Professional Development. Lesson Planning Assistant. Say goodbye to hours spent drafting lesson plans. With ChatGPT, you can instantly generate structured lesson plans tailored to your grade level, subject, and even your teaching goals. Just provide the topic and learning objectives, and it will give you a full plan, complete with warm-up activities, main content delivery, and assessment ideas. Let's try a prompt for this item. I paste the prompt into ChatGPT to see what it will answer. You can download all the prompts taught in this video and other videos as an attachment in this very lecture. As you can see, first, an overall plan about the class is provided, including its duration in minutes. Then, it explains what the student will learn by the end. Next, it lists the materials the teacher needs for instruction. After that, it shows the class timing, specifying what the teacher should say each minute. Finally, it defines the assessment. The next one is Quiz and Test Generator. Creating quizzes and tests is now easier than ever. Whether you need multiple choice questions, true, false, short answer, or even higher level thinking questions, ChatGPT can generate them based on the topic you're teaching. You can also ask it to include an answer key, saving you even more time. A sample prompt for this item will be, Alright, this is the exam header which has spaces for name and date. Then it includes 5 prepared questions, with their answers provided at the end, exactly what we wanted. The next one is Worksheet and Handout Creator. Need a PowerPoint for your next class? Just tell ChatGPT what topic you're covering, and it can design activities, matching exercises, fill in the blank questions, or comprehension tasks. If you want to write a prompt, you can write, As you can see, it's generating each slide's content individually. Finally, it offers, would you like me to provide a PowerPoint file as well? To which I agree. Let's observe the result. The delivered file is quite simple. Remember, in earlier sections we covered AI-powered PowerPoint creation. You can enhance these ChatGPT outputs by incorporating them into those professionally designed templates. The next one is personalized learning materials. Every classroom has students with different learning needs. ChatGPT helps you differentiate your instruction by creating simplified explanations for struggling students or deeper challenges for advanced learners. It's like having a content generator for every level of your classroom. The sample prompt based on my formula is: Now, let me paste this prompt into ChatGPT to see the response. As you can observe, the questions were created in easy, medium, and hard levels, meeting our exact requirements. The next one is instant feedback on student writing. Tired of spending hours reviewing essays? If you are a language teacher, you can paste your students' work into ChatGPT and ask for feedback. It can help you identify grammar errors, suggest improvements in structure, and even comment on the clarity and coherence of the writing, all while maintaining a constructive tone. Let's make an example for prompting. I'm now uploading my student's composition and asking ChatGPT to pinpoint the mistakes. First, it gave the corrected version, followed by a list of errors. Now, I'm telling it to assign a grade. It defines grading rubrics and then provides the final score. I could have chosen the total marks, for example, out of 100, but it defaulted to 25. If you're a teacher who knows Python and coding, you can write a program that takes scanned exam sheets as input, and the AI will grade them in a fraction of a second. Let's watch a video about this.
6、5、6、4、6、4、6、4。
The next one is explaining difficult concepts. Some topics are just hard to explain, but ChatGPT can help. You can ask it to break down complex concepts using simple language, analogies, or even step-by-step examples. This is especially helpful when students just don't get it after the first explanation. Let's make an example for prompting. It began by introducing the various components of the heart. Next, it described the blood flow process in stages. As I had requested visual aids, it also generated an image. This approach allows educators to enhance their lessons with customized illustrations. The next one is Parent Communication Helper. Writing emails or newsletters to parents can be stressful, especially when dealing with sensitive issues. ChatGPT can help you craft clear, professional, and empathetic messages, whether you're discussing student progress, behavior, or classroom announcements. If I were a teacher, I would write a letter like this. Let's assume I have a student who is experiencing difficulties in mathematics and requires additional practice. I would like to advise the parents to dedicate more time to support their child and ensure homework assignments are completed. As you can observe, it generates the email in mere seconds. You can use it in your work. The next one is making more examples. Need more engaging in the classroom? ChatGPT can generate endless creative examples based on any theme, genre, or age group. Whether it's a math or physics course, you'll never lack examples. Suppose that you explained a complex topic in chemistry but your students could get it well. Now you will need to make more examples to clarify it. So, You go to ChatGPT and ask, just as I requested. I asked it to provide 2 more examples explaining the order of elements in the periodic table. The next one is Multilingual Support. If you're teaching in a multilingual classroom or communicating with parents who speak another language, ChatGPT is a great translation assistant. It can translate instructions, assignments, or emails, and even explain grammar rules in the student's native language. And the last one is Professional Development. Teachers are lifelong learners, and ChatGPT can support your growth. You can use it to summarize education theories, classroom management strategies, or even explore the latest edtech tools. It's like having a personal PD coach right at your fingertips. As you can see, ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a powerful tool that can save you hours of work, support your students more effectively, and even help you grow as a teacher. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on using AI in education. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.